Madhura and you're watching me on Femina.in. Don't forget to like, share and subscribe to Femina. So winters are really harsh for the skin and it is very important to take care of your skin, especially during the season. So I've come up with few easy peasy DIYs that you can whip right in your kitchen. So let's get started.
Oats and honey hydrating mask. For the oats and honey hydrating mask, take a bowl, add 2 tablespoons of oats, preferably unflavored, 1 tablespoon of honey and 1 tablespoon of curd. Now let this mixture rest for 2 minutes so that the oats get activated. Apply the mask evenly on dry skin using a brush. Leave it on for 10 minutes and then rinse. Banana and honey moisturizing mask. Take a bowl and mash up half a ripe banana. Mash it well so as to avoid any lumps. Add 1 tablespoon of honey and 2 tablespoons of raw milk. You can add more milk if needed to smoothen the paste. Gently massage it into your skin and let it sit for 10 minutes. Rinse and you have naturally hydrated skin. Coffee powder and aloe vera mask. If flaky or rough skin is your problem area, this is the mask for you. In a bowl, add 1 tablespoon of finely milled coffee powder. Put in 1 tablespoon of aloe vera gel as well as honey. Mix it all in well. Apply it on dry and clean skin. Massage it well so the coffee powder can exfoliate properly. And then rinse it off after 15 minutes with normal water. Almond and milk brightening face mask. In a bowl, take some almond powder. Add 1 tablespoon of wild turmeric and some raw milk. Apply it on your face using a brush. And rinse it off after 10 minutes for visibly brighter skin. Papaya and honey mask for glowing skin. In a bowl, take a few pieces of papaya and smash it into mush. Add 1 tablespoon of honey and a half tablespoon of raw milk, which will activate the properties of the other 2 ingredients. Let it sit on your face for 10 minutes and rinse it off. And now you have glowing skin. Say goodbye to your winter woes by trying out this easy mask.